Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make PowerPoint presentation with audio. Okay, so here you can see I have some sample presentation here. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so guys, in if you want to add audio with this slide, you can add easily. Okay, there is a two way. First, if you go in insert in audio, you can add audio from your PC if you have already recorded audio file in your device, so you can input from here, and this is for only one side, and you can record audio for slide by slide. Okay, this is for I select first slide, so this audio will be recorded only for this slide. But if you want to voice over of your slideshow, there is a one way, which is go to the slideshow and go to the record slides, and now click the record current slide, or you can record from beginning. So if you want to make if you want to voice over your slide, go to the beginning, and this beginning slide will be start. Okay, so here when you start, the first slide will be open and you have to record, so recording will be start automatically. So when you finish first slide, so you have to click on slide, then second slide will be open and recording automatically, the recording will be start automatically, and you have to finish per slide and just select click on when you complete the slide with. Okay, so just click on, and after complete, just click on this next. Then when audio will be apply with audio every file, and now this audio has been applied to you. So when you select audio file, then this playback will be open here. Just click on it, and here you can change, make some changes if you want. Okay, now you can save as a, you have to save as a PowerPoint show. Don't show as a PDF and whatever. You can also show as a video file, so you can make video of your presentation. Okay, with audio. For that, you have to go, if you want to make the video, go to the expert, and here go to the create video, and here this is the quality of your video. You have to select, and here you can select the use recorded timing and narration, and click the create video. You can also select the spend time on each slide and just create the video. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.